Jelly. Jelly, you need to civilize these babies. Jelly. Jelly, jelly.
Jelly.
Jelly, jelly.
You're not jelly. Pasta.
You're posing. You guys are posers.
They're
Jelly.
posters.
Posters.
Imposters. Impasta.
Yeah.
Impasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know the word. I say words good.
He says the word so good.
Sure, such a good word there.
Say more words at me.
Oh, yeah.
Like, okay, we're gonna have pumpkin.
And we're gonna make soap with said pumpkin. We made it further than that sentence.
Hey! And then the babies are causing havoc over there, so we'll be over here.
Yes.
Let the good baby jelly. So, we haven't made pumpkin spice yet before.
Yes.
As
We're
far
gonna
as goat
try
milk,
it. We're
so
gonna see it if it works.
yeah. We have a couple of different recipes we're gonna combine. We'll see what happens. We got a good amount of milk. Everyone's kind of like slowing down for the year. Yeah. Stormy day outside. Good day to stay in and make some soap for holiday bazaars.
So what we'll do is after milking, we'll measure this out and put to about 14 ounces, and then we'll put it in the freezer, and then we'll make some soap with it.
Right.
Of course, since we're adding pumpkin, we have to add less milk than we usually do to account for it.
Yeah. So we're gonna add the pumpkin. We have pumpkin. We're gonna use it from the can, so that way
puree.
it's completely cooked through and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add the pumpkin to the milk, as opposed to the pumpkin just
At trace.
at trace.
Yeah. Usually you would add essential oils and things like that at trace, but since this is not an essential oil, you have to get creative.
We got it. Well, yeah, but we also want to make sure our lye is gonna
Talk.
be good.
Because it's a science.
It's science.
Yeah.
All right then. Well, Jelly Belly.
Hi, come on, Jelly. What did you do? Oh, wait a minute. We should.
Oh, wait a minute.
You want to help?
Yeah, you're really good at helping stuff.
Yes, you're better at it.
Okay, so we're gonna zero it out.
We're gonna turn on our scale. Are you paying attention?
She says you know it.
So I'll scoot it over so you can see it. Okay, so it says pounds and ounces. I can convert it to kg. So we'll measure it out, zero the container weight off, and we'll add about,
We're starting with 14 ounces.
14 ounces of milk is what we'd usually add, but since we have to add the pumpkin, we're
gonna
adding
add 4
ounces of pumpkin. I know, what can you eat it? So, 2, 3.5, 4.
We got 4 ounces.
Right, and then that's about 150 g there, grams.
And then we're gonna add our milk to it. Yeah?
Yes. I know you want pumpkin too.
Yeah, it smells pretty good. You like pumpkin.
You're looking around over there.
Yeah.
Almost. Come on. Literally half an ounce. 7/8.
One more drip. Baby drip.
There we go. Okay. We added the milk, which is now 14 ounces or 398 grams.
And then we'll take a spoon, stir it up a little bit.
And we'll use our pumpkin spoon. I know you would love to. You might get the rest of the pumpkin jelly.
We'll see if you like the cooked pumpkin. I know that you're pretty good about just
You love raw
diving into it.
pumpkin. You'll just eat it like a snack.
And then I'll hole through it.
Yeah, so that's a nice color.
So,
And then we'll put it in the freezer, and then hopefully the soap will have this nice orange color.
yeah. Okay, what do you think? Jelly?
Jelly wants a pumpkin?
I don't know, it's got milk on it now.
Yeah, you like pumpkin.
Yeah, it's pretty good, even though it's cooked.
Yeah.
Tastes weird?
Yeah.
Not picky?
No. Why is there not more?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll put this in the freezer, and then I'll see you guys in my soap lab. Okay, so it is the next day. We froze our pumpkin milk overnight and then heated it up a little bit so that we can get it out. So we're gonna put this in here. Looks pretty good. And then we're gonna, don't stab it like this. We're going to break it up into pieces so that when it mixes with the lye, it will go smoothly. And then, since we are also going to be adding spices, we're going to prepare those now and then set them aside so that we can add them at trace. But before we do any of that, we need to have our safety glasses on because I've never made this type of soap before, and it may or may not blow up in my face. Quite literally, because if I measured my ingredients wrong, it could turn into a live volcano, so that's fun. But, right inside, we're going to start with our spices. Some nice cinnamon sticks. And then a little bit of clove. Then just a little nutmeg. And then this is a coffee grinder that works pretty good at grinding other things. Too long. And so we'll just grind these up. Cool. Smells pretty good. That's what's left of that nutmeg. Let's get it out. This container. Set that aside. Now that we have our pieces. So you guys can see it. There we go. Now we have our spices that we will add at trace. We can now proceed with the actual soap making. Now, if you've seen some of my soap videos before, this lye looks a little different. It's still the same lye, it just happens to be in flake form. You can get the other one we usually get, but it still works fine. We have this measured out at about 6 ounces. And then this was weighed, 10 ounces of milk and 4 ounces of pumpkin puree. So let's add it in and stir it until all of the lye dissolves. And it smells pretty good already. It's got a good whiff of pumpkin. I'm wondering if that will hold up through the lye. So we just gotta sit here, just stir it, and stir it. Seems to be interacting badly, so that's good. I'm mostly wearing these in case it was going to blow up in my face, but you should wear these anyway in case you're stirring it and some of it just splashes. Because lye then once all of these have been dissolved, we're going to be adding our olive oil, which has been heated. And stir it with our stick blender. Then once it hits light trace, we'll add our spices. That way it will be pumpkin spice. Alright? The milk needs to dissolve with everything. Stop stirring. Then we'll add oil. And then I'm using about 3 pounds of olive oil. Also have conversions and captions. Use different measurements than me. Alright, put it in, turn it on, and that's looking better. Alright, there we go. I pull this out and it makes a little pattern, and that means it's a blank trace, which is the consistency of pudding-ish. Then we will add our spices, our nutmeg, our cinnamon, and our cloves. So let's make some pumpkin spice. And if you're worried about using puree and about the raw ingredients turning, the lye usually, the process of soap making, yeast quantification usually preserves it so that it can't mold. The only thing I'll have to worry about though is if the oils go rancid, like the olive oil. Alright, mix in is now thick trace, which is consistency of pudding instead of thicker. Smells pretty good. Set that over here. That over there. Now we'll pour it into our molds. Here. See how many it makes. We'll also have the recipe in the description. This works out. I forgot how heavy this bowl was, and I'm not pouring so good. Mix that. My arm hurt a bit because I was lifting some heavy wood yesterday. That's why my pouring game is not on point. Somewhat equal. Alright, there's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, looks like 17 bars of soap. That's a pretty good batch. Could be the pumpkin, because sometimes when I make something with bits in it, it will extend the batch a bit. Just a little spoon left. Okay. And so that was how to make pumpkin spice goat milk soap. If you guys liked it or you want to see more, then you can go to my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. And I'll see you guys in the next video.